Attention viewer, you are watching the world's biggest monster truck diecast YouTube channel. This is Monster Jam OCD.
Well, hello everyone and welcome back to another Monster Jam OC Before the Show review video. Today we are looking at the Mix 2 edition of the Maximus Creature Pack. As you guys know, previously we have already had the Maximus Silver Edition, which is just the classic Maximus paint scheme figure before. So this came in Mix 1 earlier this year. We also had an exclusive truck with it at the time, the standard Silver Max D with a bright tangerine orange roll cage, kind of semi-transparent, and orange rims. So that was the first edition of Maximus, and now we're back again with a gold version of Maximus. And this is a take on the custom concept version of the truck. So you can see it's a gold edition with the standard decals. It is not the Tour Accurate edition that Colton Eichelberger drove during his time with that truck. So it's just another edition of this one. We'll see it with a couple updates as well on this version. And then we also have the figure in gold, which I must say is one of my favorite ones so far. On the back also, my favorite illustration so far is the gold Maximus. It just looks so tough. Here is the back again, just looks really tough. The stance, the pose, and the way the gold armor is done is insane. The illustration by Neil Vandenberg, who I think did this, is incredible. And there's the gold Max D right there. And then there's the same exact, I believe, little quote as the last one. So let's unbox it. It's the Maximus Gold Edition for 2020 Creatures Packs Mix 2. Okay, here it is, the Gold Maximus and the custom concept Gold Max D. Now with this truck, we do have a couple updates from the original Mix, I think it was actually Mix 2 back in 2019. The clarity on the Tom Mentz has been drastically improved and sized up. The face is a much better color, just a slight difference, and just overall a little bit crisper on the decal edges. Also, the roof has been centered as a community request. This one was not. It's back in the days where it was not centered. It was also 11-time champion back then, and now we have the 12-time champion roof. The back, and then it kind of travels down there. It does not wrap around like I still would like it to do, but it is there, the flame pattern. And then we have the gold spikes, the taillights, the Monster Jam logo, the front here with Max D, and the gold details. So there it is. That's the body, a little bit sharper on the scuff details, and then we have a gold chassis which sets it apart from the original release, which was chrome. So it's a gold, black roll cage, black tires, and gold rims. Nothing really that outstanding with this release, but it's pretty cool to see it with a gold Maximus. And now the actual feature of the video is this Maximus, which again is all gold for this release. And you can see here the original Maximus, same sculpt, but the colors, I must say, on gold Maximus are much better than the silver one. The fact that it has this charcoal color in between the arms and the legs areas, all these little areas where the gold is not there, the armor, looks awesome. And the reflectiveness of the gold is really cool too. It's like this dark gold, and you can see the head is fully colored in gold with these wires or whatever these are plugging into the back there. And then you can see the gold detail travels around the back, the legs, the bracelet here, the shoulder pads, and the armor belt, all that stuff. So it's an awesome figure. It doesn't have the best articulation. His arms move up and down and the head does not move. The legs do move, but like I mentioned with my previous video of this version of the figure, or the regular figure, it does have the worst articulation, but it still actually stands the best because it's got these big platform feet here with these boots. So there it is, the quick little review of the Mix 2 Maximus Gold Edition. I think it's, again, one of the coolest figures. I love the colors. I love the idea. And I hope that they do the other colors of Maximus in the future, yellow, red, and a black encore one with silver chrome details. So there it is, the Maximus. And there is the Gold Max D for 2020. So we have one more review coming up, which is the scrap truck for the Son of a Digger mascot to conclude Mix 2 Creatures. I hope you guys enjoyed these videos. Please let me know what you guys think about this truck in the comments below and the figure. And I will see you guys next time. This is Monster Jam OCD, signing out.